Hi there, I've been running aluminum beads all day. As you can see, they're coming out okay. Working off an Invision 450. Currently using pulse. And I also have the profile pulse on. Profile pulse is on. And the value is currently set at 1.2. Running about 325 inches per minute, 19.7 volts. And I'll show you how it's coming out. Aluma-Pro 25-footer. I am using a 10 to 15 degree push angle. For some reason I'm still getting soot, but the weld is coming out decently. It's adhering. The profile pulse is laying down some nice dimes. It doesn't look too bad. I do notice that you have to have these welds or these tacks completely clean before you start welding. Any soot left over from the tack will cause some porosity and other problems, burn back. So always make sure that thing is perfectly clean before you start welding. Get rid of all that soot.